Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make money with Etsy for beginners. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to make money with Etsy for beginners. So first, or step 1, understand Etsy's age requirement. Minimum age to have your own Etsy account, you must be at least 18 years old. However, teens aged 13 to 17 can still sell on Etsy, but the parent or guardian needs to open the shop and manage it on their behalf. Step 2. Choose what you want to sell. Etsy is a marketplace for handmade items, vintage goods, and craft supplies. Here are some ideas for teens: handmade jewelry, art prints, or digital illustrations, custom clothing, DIY crafts, or vintage finds. Step 3. Set up an account or set up an Etsy account. Have them create an account on Etsy and follow the instructions to open a seller account. Choose a name. Make sure it's unique and reflects what you are selling. You can use a name generator or brainstorm ideas based on your niche. Customize your profile. Add a profile picture, shop banner, and write a short bio to introduce yourself and your products to buyers. Step 4. Create your first product listing. Take high quality photos, write a catchy title, describe your product, be specific about the materials used, sizes, and any customization options. Set a price. Research similar products on Etsy to get an idea of how much to charge. Step 5. Set up payment and shipping. Payment options like Etsy offer several payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and Etsy gift cards. Shipping setup. Decide how much to charge for shipping. Etsy offers shipping labels so you can easily print them out at home. Start by offering shipping within your country and later consider offering international shipping. Step 6. Market your shop, social media promotion, SEO or search engine optimization, sales and promotions, such as offering discounts and free shipping. Step 7. Focus on customer service. Respond quickly to customer messages and inquiries. Keep buyers updated on shipping times and delays. Step 8. Stay organized and track your finances. Step 9. Follow its rules. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.